Welcome to this powerful affirmation session designed to align you with miracles, abundance, prosperity, and perfect opportunities. In this video, you will hear a series of affirmations, all spoken in the I am format, a format that directly programs your subconscious mind for success, wealth, and miraculous experiences. I will say each affirmation, followed by a short pause. During that pause, I invite you to repeat each affirmation, either out loud or in your mind. The more emotion and belief you bring to each statement, the more powerful it becomes. You can listen to this audio while relaxing, sleeping, working, or driving. Your subconscious mind is always listening. Let's begin. I am a magnet for miracles. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. I am open to receiving unexpected blessings. I am worthy of unlimited wealth. I am attracting money easily and effortlessly. I am surrounded by infinite opportunities. I am living in a state of divine flow. I am always in the right place at the right time. I am grateful for all that I have and all that is coming to me. I am attracting success with every breath I take. I am ready to receive the abundance the universe has prepared for me. I am constantly attracting aligned people and situations into my life. I am the creator of my reality. I am financially free and secure. I am a powerful manifester. I am in love with the life I am creating. I am confident in my ability to manifest wealth. I am attracting the perfect opportunities to grow and thrive. I am wealthy in all areas of my life. I am always taken care of by the universe. I am constantly finding new ways to receive abundance. I am tuned into the frequency of prosperity. I am attracting miracles into my daily life. I am overflowing with joy, success, and abundance. I am deserving of everything I desire. I am connected to the limitless power of the universe. I am already living my dream life. I am unstoppable. I am receiving massive financial breakthroughs. I am open to wealth in all its forms. I am grateful for this new level of success I am stepping into. I am manifesting the perfect scenario for my highest good. I am receiving more than I could have ever imagined. I am attracting love, wealth, peace, and perfect health. I am walking in alignment with my highest path. I am releasing all blocks to abundance now. I am guided by divine intelligence in all that I do. I am ready for next level success. I am attracting financial freedom now. I am in love with my abundant life. I am chosen for wealth and prosperity. I am aligned with miracles now and always. I am powerful beyond measure. I am attracting opportunities that elevate my life. I am thankful for the abundance that flows to me now. I am stepping into my full potential. I am rich in mind, body, and spirit. I am the embodiment of wealth and success. I am attracting abundance with ease and grace. I am so happy and grateful now that miracles are manifesting for me daily. I am enough. I am abundant. I am thriving. Thank you for joining this powerful affirmation session. For best results, listen to these affirmations every day for at least 21 days. Repetition is key to reprogramming your subconscious mind. You can listen while you're sleeping, working, driving, or simply relaxing. Your mind is always absorbing and aligning. Allow yourself to believe, feel, and embody these affirmations. You are shifting your reality one thought at a time. Miracles, abundance, and success are already on their way to you. If this resonated with you, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the abundance. Until next time, stay aligned, stay abundant, and keep manifesting.